Sorry it's late. I just wanted to show you our bird room. This is just the bird center. We got a nice bird perch there, and then we do have a bird cage, but it is never closed. We actually have a bigger one. We're in the middle of just renovating, and we need the bigger one out because the rest of the room we have company over. As you can see, we got the beds out and such. So we just needed the smaller cage for right now. But again, cage is never closed, so the birds have free access to this room. Actually, Toriel, that's his favorite spot to sleep, is up there. He's always up there. He loves it. And then, yeah, this is just the room. If you have any other questions, just let me know.